Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I have another Fashionphile unboxing for you today. This box actually came to my office yesterday and I was so excited. I have opened this all up because I had to share it with my coworkers. So as you can see, got my Fashionphile receipt in here. And anyone who knows, I got myself a Speedy. I ended up choosing the Speedy in the monogram canvas, and I'm going to show it to you in a moment. So it's upside down. So used is the new, which is an awesome motto. Confetti, lots of paper, and the beautiful Fashionphile dust bag. So this is the Fashionphile dust bag, comes with a drawstring. And my new Speedy. So again, the lighting actually in this video makes the patina look a lot lighter than it actually is, but it has a nice honey golden patina to it. As you can see, these leather pieces here, they're not puffy the way they are in the newer Speedies. The canvas is not as tough as on my Terrain, but pretty soft, pretty supple. And it didn't come with a lock. Got the tags, obviously. And this was, I believe, in very good condition, although when I showed it to my colleagues, they were pretty impressed that it really looked quite good and it was quite excellent. It's quite excellent condition. So the reason why I chose this particular bag, my reason for choosing this particular bag and picking it up at Fashionphile was because I really wanted something for work that was bigger than my Speedy 25, but had a lot of room to fit in my essentials for work, but also my iPad and other things that I might be toting around with me. They've got this really nice bubble wrap inside, nice and stiff, to help the bag continue to hold its shape. Now the opening obviously here is bigger than the one that you find for the Speedy 25s, but it's actually pretty roomy to get in and out. Oh, I didn't think it came with a key, but it did. Ooh, it's pretty tarnished, but it does come with the key and the lock. Not too bad. I wonder if I can get that cleaned up. I might be able to. And it came with the original textile card. Not too bad. So this obviously is an older version. It has no zip on the pocket. And here we have, let's see, the date code. So this was obviously made in the USA because it's got the SD. So this was 21st week of 2010. And it also came with the original Louis Vuitton dust bag. So got that, which is nice. But I'm really looking forward to using this. I really don't see much, maybe a little bit of scuffing within the bag, but the canvas and the inside of the bag, the fabric of the bag looks pretty good. So it's got the leather pull tab, and the hardware actually looks pretty good. Got the leather that says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in the USA. and I'm really not seeing much in terms of edge wear. You know, for a bag that is 6 years old, this is really pretty amazing condition. And the bottom looks really good. You know, that nice single piece of canvas. So, as I said, I'm really looking forward to being able to use this bag for work, and for most of my bags that I use on a daily basis that I take to and from work ends up being a bag that is in my drawer for most of the time. But this is going to be a great everyday piece, I believe, and I hope to have a review soon to give you an update as to how it's working out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos, please hit the subscribe button. And to get notifications for all of my new videos, please hit that bell. Have an awesome day. Bye.